In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review reports and audits in Google Admin Console. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find organization-wide insights and how to investigate activity using Google's built-in tools. Start by going to the Google Admin Console. Once you're in, head to the left-hand menu and click on Reporting. This section is your hub for high-level metrics and deeper operational details. From here, select Overview. The Overview page compiles key trends and summaries in one place, so you can quickly understand what's happening across your domain without digging through multiple areas. On the overview, you'll see answers to practical questions like, what's the status of different accounts? Use this to spot inactive users, suspended accounts, or spikes in newly created accounts that might need attention. It's helpful for capacity planning and for ensuring your user lifecycle processes are working as expected. You'll also find what's the storage being used. This helps you keep an eye on total usage and top consumers of storage. If you manage quotas or shared drives, this snapshot is a great way to catch growth trends early and avoid surprises. When you're ready to move from summary to investigation, click on Audit and Investigation. This area provides granular log data that helps you validate changes, track access, and confirm policy enforcement. Next, click on Access Evaluation Log Events. These logs focus on access decisions, essentially who tried to access what, whether it was allowed or blocked, and the context around that decision. It's invaluable for compliance checks and for troubleshooting permission-related issues. At the top of the investigation view, you can filter. Use filters to narrow by attributes like event type, application, date, or user, so you're looking at exactly what matters. Narrow filters reduce noise and speed up your analysis, especially in larger environments. You can also search. If you know a specific email address, resource name, or keyword relevant to the event, search will jump you straight to matching records and save time scrolling. As results load, you can see the event entries in a table. Each line represents a specific action or decision captured by the system. Select an event to open its details. Here you'll find the description section. This provides context such as the action taken, the target resource, the actor, timestamps, and the rationale or policy outcome behind the access decision. Review this description to confirm whether the behavior aligns with your policies and use it to document findings for audits or incident reviews. That's the flow: overview for insights, audit and investigation for evidence, filters and search to pinpoint exactly what you need, and detailed descriptions to close the loop on your review.